is flowing. My heart is making. The playmate's name is Eloise and the snowman. I am Eloise. I am 6. I live at the Plaza Hotel on the tippy-top floor. This is my room. If I am very, very careful, I can pick out my window. This is my room. If I am very, very careful, I can pick out my window. It is snowing. Nanny, I say, we must go outside. Now, Eloise, says Nanny, it's time for breakfast. Breakfast can wait. I say, oh, I love snow. We cross the street to Central Park. I roll a ball of snow. I roll another and another. Look, Nanny, I say, it is your snowman. But something is missing. I hear his brother and his horse. To the plaza at once, I say. Room service, I say, please bring me 1 carrier. I race back to the snowman and Nanny. Nanny, I say, do you like his snow? Oh, yes, dear. But something is missing. Back to the plaza, I say. This driver away, I say. Only the best drivers will do. I will have a coat, a scarf, and gloves. Daddy, how does my snowman look? Dashing dear, says Nanny, but something is missing. Back to the plaza, I say. Eloise, says the manager, how may I help you? We must build my snowman a house. I say, please send me your best carpenter. Eloise dear, this house is lovely. Nanny says, but something is missing. My breakfast. Nanny, let's go home. I say, oh, I love snow.